If someone wiped my bank account tomorrow and told me I had to rebuild to 10K a month as fast as possible, here's exactly what I'd do step by step. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket info products, so I do know a thing or two about making money online. So look, the first thing I'd do if I wanted to get to $10,000 a month ASAP is I'd delete about 90% of what's on my to-do list. Forget about those 3-hour-long fancy morning routines. Forget about journaling. Forget productivity hacks or optimization systems. None of that fucking pays you. And when you're starting from zero, cash is oxygen. You need it to survive. There are only two activities that actually make you money: lead generation and sales. That's it. Everything else is either preparation for those things or a distraction from them. Most of the time, it's a distraction. So here's how I'd structure my day. 80 to 90% of my time would be spent on either getting attention or converting attention. Getting attention means creating content, doing outreach to leads, marketing, anything that puts you in front of potential customers. Converting attention means sales calls, closing clients, making offers. The fastest way to hit 10K a month isn't by being busy doing a ton of different things. It's by mastering client acquisition. That's the only skill that matters when you're starting from scratch. If I'm starting from zero and my goal is to make $10,000 a month as quickly as possible, I'm sure as hell not touching anything with low profit margins. Dropshipping, print on demand, e-commerce with physical products, forget them. Those models require too much capital, too much inventory risk, and the margins are razor thin, 5 to 20% at best. The best path is digital products, service-based businesses, or coaching. These models have 80 to 95% profit margins. You're selling your time, your knowledge, or your expertise, things that cost you nothing to replicate. Here's the math. You can make 10K a month with just 3 to 5 clients paying you $2,000 to $3,000 each. That's not magic. It's simple mathematics. And here's what most people don't realize. You don't need an audience to start. You don't need paid ads. You don't need a fancy brand. You just need an offer that solves a painful problem for people who have money and urgency. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's a critical principle that saved me thousands of dollars early on. Don't start with a model that requires paid ads. If you're new to business and you start dumping money into Facebook ads or Google ads, you're going to bleed cash fast. Instead, I'd learn client acquisition through free methods, cold DMs on Instagram or LinkedIn, outbound emails, creating content that attracts inbound leads. Every mistake you make in communication or positioning is free data. You're not losing money, you're gaining information. Use that information to refine your offer, improve your messaging, and get better at closing. The goal isn't to be perfect or to get it right on your first try. It's to get feedback on the stuff you're doing as quickly as possible, because the faster you test, the faster you learn. The faster you learn, the faster you profit. This is how you build real skills that can make you 6, 7, even 8 figures a year without going broke in the process. The next lesson I'd like to share with you is going to save you months of unnecessary hard work. Sell your digital product before you even build the first slide. This is probably the most important lesson I've ever learned, and it's the opposite of what most people do. Don't waste months building a product, a website, or a course that no one buys. I see this constantly. People spend 6 months creating something elaborate, launching it, and get crickets. That's devastating. And I know I did this. Here's what I do instead now. Validate first. Talk to your market. Find their biggest pain points. Pre-sell a solution before you build it. Get paid, then deliver, then you optimize it. This sequence is critical. When you sell before you build, you're forced to focus on real demand instead of imaginary ideas of what you think people want. You're building something that people have already told you they want. The risk drops to 0. Plus, there's nothing more motivating than the adrenaline of having a customer's money in your account and knowing you need to create the product. That pressure actually forces you to build a good product like nothing else. Not to mention the rush of getting your first sale is something you'll never forget. Every high converting offer has 2 things, a painful, urgent problem and a clear, desirable outcome. If you're selling to businesses, B2B, you need to promise a return on investment. Something like, I'll help you add $20,000 per month in new clients for a $2K per month retainer. That's a 10x return. Any business owner with a functioning brain will take that deal, provided you can actually get them results, of course. If you're selling to consumers, B2C, focus on emotional pain. I'll help you lose 30 pounds and rebuild your confidence in 90 days. That's not just about weight loss, it's about how they feel about themselves. That's what they're really buying. And here's the truth. People don't pay for information. Information is free. You can find anything on YouTube or Google. What people pay for is removing pain and getting results. They're buying a transformation, not a transaction. Your offer needs to make that transformation crystal clear. Okay, so you've got your offer. Now, you need to figure out how to deliver actual value. There are 3 ways to do this fast. 1, do it yourself. Use a skill you already have. Marketing, video editing, copywriting, design, whatever. This is the fastest path because there's no learning curve. You already know how to deliver. 2, teach it. If you've been able to solve a problem that other people are struggling with, you can coach or consult them through it. Like, let's say, losing weight, gaining dates, building muscle. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of them. 3, outsource it. This is the model I'd probably use if I was starting from scratch with no skills. You close the clients, then you use contractors or freelancers to deliver the work, the service. You handle sales and client management. They handle execution, and you keep the biggest part of the margin. All 3 of these work. The right one depends on your starting skill set and how much time you have. But pick one and commit to it. Don't try to do all 3 at once. If you do, you'll stay broke, that I can guarantee. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's what kills most beginners. They over-optimize things that simply don't matter. They spend weeks designing a fucking logo. They obsess over their website. They want it to look like Apple's. They create elaborate content calendars, and meanwhile, they have 0 clients and 0 revenue. Focus on the money loop. Traffic, offer, leads, sales, delivery, testimonials. That's it. Everything else is secondary. So stop getting distracted by low-leverage activities. You don't need perfect branding. You need paying customers. Let me break down the actual numbers so you can see how achievable this really is. $2,500 times 4 clients equals $10,000 per month. That's the baseline. Now, if your close rate is 20 to 30%, which is very reasonable if you're talking to qualified leads, you need about 10 to 20 sales calls to land those 4 clients. So the question becomes, how many DMs or emails do you need to send daily to get those calls booked? Or how many pieces of content a week do we need to post? Let's say you need to reach out to 50 people to book 1 call. That means you need to reach out to 500 to 1,000 people to hit your goal. Suddenly, as you can see, success isn't this mysterious, abstract thing. It's a math problem. It's a numbers game. And when you understand the numbers, you can reverse engineer exactly what you need to do every single day. This is how you turn motivation into systems. This is how you make progress predictable. Now look, successful people don't think like everyday broke is. That's just a fact. So that's why we need to fix your broken mindset if you want to get a shot at earning $10,000 a month. And the first thing you need to understand is that you need to stop consuming and start producing. Every piece of content you post, every sales calls you make, every offer you craft, it compounds your learning. You're getting a real world feedback. You're building real skills. You're making real progress. Most people stay stuck. They don't make any money because they're stuck in consumption mode. They're watching videos, reading threads, taking courses maybe. They're professional students, not entrepreneurs. And I'm not saying don't learn, obviously not. You should absolutely learn new things all the time, especially from people who've done it. What I'm saying is don't hide behind learning as an excuse to avoid doing the things you need to do to get results. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to know a bit more than the person behind you. That's enough to get paid. What I've noticed is that the people who win and make the most money online aren't the most talented. They're not necessarily the smartest or the most creative. Some of them are pretty fucking stupid, in fact. However, they're the most consistent executors. They show up every day, no matter what. They take action, even and especially when it's uncomfortable. They push through the doubt and the fear. That consistency is what separates the people making 10 grand a month from the people still dreaming about it. Look, you don't need more time. You need more focus. If you execute one model, one offer, one strategy for 6 to 12 months without deviation, 10K a month is basically a piece of cake. The compound effect of literally doing the same boring thing every day is extremely powerful. But if you keep switching models every month, or even worse, every week, trying dropshipping, then course creation, then affiliate marketing, then freelancing, you'll stay in the learning curve forever. You'll always be a beginner because you never stick with anything long enough to get good at it. Pick one thing, go all in, ignore everything else until you hit 10K per month. Then, and only then, do you have permission to explore other opportunities. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So if I had to summarize the entire playbook into one focus strategy, here it is. If I wanted to make 10K per month starting from zero, first I'd pick a service-based business or digital product-based business model with high margins. I'd create one killer offer that solves a painful specific problem for a specific market. I'd spend 90% of my time on outreach or creating content and taking sales calls. I'd pre-sell before I build anything, and I would try my best to deliver incredible results to my first few customers. I'd collect their testimonials and use them to get more clients, and I'd repeat this loop every single day for months. That's it. If you want me to personally help you to build a profitable online business as quickly as possible, check out the link in the description below. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.